Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be making banana nut bread. Yay. And so you're going to need 1/3 cup of water, 1 egg, and 2 overly ripe bananas. And you can add the banana nut granola mix if you like. As you can see, my bananas are pretty ripe. Oh, and don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 while you are mixing your ingredients. So yeah, now we're gonna get into the video. I'm gonna start off with cutting up the bananas and getting them all mashed up. You can definitely mash it up to your likings. You can leave big chunks if you like, or mash it down well if you want more of like a blended banana batter, I guess. I don't know, you get what I mean. I totally realized that this plate is not gonna work with me trying to get it mashed up, so I am going to put it inside of this clear bowl right here and work my magic, because the plate was not working for me. So I do not recommend doing the banana part on a plate. I don't even know why I did that. So make sure you have a bowl, small bowl, big bowl, whatever, just a bowl to get it going, because the bananas were like soft, but there wasn't like that soft to be able to just do it on the plate.
This is a R&B mix.
This definitely had me with a little arm workout, but you see, I'm getting it going. I'm getting it going. We getting somewhere.
This is a R&B mix. This is a R&B mix. This is a R&B mix.
All right, I literally had to stand up to like get a little bit of oomph over it, because sitting down and doing that was not working for me. Once again, I don't suggest it. Stand up, girl, and mush them bananas. Okay, now I'm liking how my bananas is looking, so I'm gonna get the egg and I'm gonna lightly beat it. Not too much, just a little whipping, a little whip, 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 and then throw that in there with the bananas.
This is a R&B mix.
I know I said lightly, but I'm over here just whipping it. But you get what I mean. Just you ain't gotta do it that much. But clearly, I was having too much fun at the moment.
This is a R&B mix.
Then after you mash your bananas and add your beaten egg, I tossed in my banana
This is
nut
a R&B mix.
granola mix. You don't have to put it in there, totally optional, like I mentioned earlier. But yeah, I like to add it in there. And then I was gonna add my water, but don't do that. Add your banana bread mix, and then you add your water on top. So that way it's easier to like get going when you're mixing. So yeah, now that the mix is in there, now pour your water on top and then you can start mixing it up and it should be pretty easy to get going. And then yeah, work your magic, work your magic. It may feel like and look
This
like it's
is a
like thick
R&B
and
mix.
it's not gonna like thin out. But of course, us people that bake and cook and stuff like that, we all know it starts working its way in. So don't worry, just keep mixing and mixing and mixing, and then you'll start to notice that it'll start literally creaming up and stuff. So no worries. Do not
This
stress yourself
is a
out if you're a
R&B mix.
person that does not cook a lot. I promise you, just go with it. You know what I mean? Believe in yourself and your cooking. You know what I mean? And you'll start making stuff and doing little things. And before you know it, you'll probably have your favorite little recipes that you like to make and all that type
This
of stuff.
is a
So,
R&B mix.
this is for the people that are not, that versatile in the kitchen. You can make many things or whatever. Don't worry. Sometimes it looks a little funky, but usually it comes together most of the time. Now, don't just be trying to create anything. I tried to flip the camera around and give y'all a good look. Yeah, I was trying to mix it and the bowl was just like, yeah, whatever. I should have just left it at the regular view like that. Yes, there y'all go. That's what it looked like. And now we're gonna get that poured on in the little pan. Wait, before you pour it in your pan, I like to use the olive oil spray, and then I like to grease it with butter and just put it all around and stuff so that way the bottom layer has a little bit of like butter flavor. You don't have to, but I like to. It's a non stick pan anyway, so I don't really have to, but I like to. Like I say, your choice. I do. You don't have to. You can totally just grease it with oil or just use your non-stick pan and you'll be fine.
This is a R&B mix.
Now that I have the pan all buttered up and stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the mix into it so we can get this going.
This is a R&B mix.
If you're anything like me, you try to not waste no mix. I do not be playing. I try to get it all in there because I don't like being wasteful. So, guys, try to get all of your mix from your bowl into your pan. Good job. And I also like to evenly spread it across. Like I try to make sure I go across and wave the spoon around so I can get an even layer. So when I'm cooking it, you feel me? It's like evenly cooking. That's a good thing to do. Side note. And once again, I told y'all I'm serious. I really don't like being wasteful. I don't like missing none of it. I didn't went tappy tap 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 tappy tap tap with the spoon to make sure I got all of the ingredients off the spoon. Doing too much, but carry on. Time for the oven and making sure it's still on 350. Yep. And a few minutes later, we are done. It smells so good in here. I'm gonna let it cool off and then we shall get it all cut up, and then I'm gonna get it put inside of the little cake container thing, so when the kids are ready they can grab it as they want.
This is a
Yeah,
R&B
man.
mix.
It was so funny when I was cutting it down, it kept springing back up. Super weird. Don't know. If you have this pan and you so happen to make it, then you'll know what I'm talking about. Otherwise, here you go. All done and pretty, cooled off and all. So I'm going to get this over here on the little platter thing. And I think I did a great job. And hopefully you guys can do it too. And you'll do a great job as well. Totally love the way it feels when I'm picking it up and pulling it apart. It's such a odd satisfaction. It's so satisfying. Literally can't explain it, but I love the way it feels. All right, guys, we have them all stacked up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Until next time, be safe, take care of yourself.